Imagine two colossal galaxies colliding in the future. Would everything be destroyed? Not at all. In fact, these violent crashes are the cosmic spark that triggered the birth of stars like our Sun. Let's look at a specific example, the Milky Way and Andromeda. In about 4.5 billion years, these two giants will collide. Don't worry about our solar system, the stars are so far apart that we won't crash into anything. But while individual stars stay safe, the gas clouds between them get crushed. This creates powerful shockwaves that compress the hydrogen, forcing it to condense and ignite into new stars at an explosive rate. This process was crucial for our history. In the early universe, galaxy mergers triggered massive star formation with rates about 50% higher than today. Scientists believe these shockwaves speeded up the birth of the very first stars. We see this happening now in ultraluminous infrared galaxies. These objects emit tremendous light because intense star formation is being triggered right there by the collision of two interacting galaxies. However, as the universe ages, this rate has dropped to about 30%. Without these massive mergers to trigger star formation on a large scale, many of the heavy elements needed for life simply wouldn't exist. So, that violent crash between Andromeda and us isn't an end, but a continuation of the process that built our galaxy. We are literally made of stardust forged in these ancient collisions. Galaxy collisions shape the universe and create the stars we see tonight. What do you think will happen when Andromeda finally meets our Milky Way? Let me know your theories in the comments below.